Welcome to 5831 Club Oaks Drive in Dallas, Texas.
We're so excited to show you this beautiful home in Bent Tree neighborhood.
The backyard of this home overlooks the 18th hole of Bent Tree Country Club golf course. A panoramic view showcases the green fairway lined with beautiful landscape water features and large mature trees from this approximately half-acre lot. With over 5,000 square feet of living space, this home features 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 2 living areas, a pool, and a 3-car garage.
This home was well designed with fabulous views from the main living areas. Energy-efficient windows were recently installed throughout the first level of the home.
The recently remodeled primary suite has a large bedroom with a lovely gas fireplace and built-in storage. A bright spa-like bathroom includes a freestanding soaking tub, a separate oversized glass shower, and an expansive vanity. 2 custom-designed walk-in closets complete the luxurious primary suite.
The downstairs guest bedroom suite has also been upgraded with wood floors and elegant modern finishings. Up the stairs are 3 generous-sized bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Each bedroom comes with a walk-in closet. The sizable backyard is an outdoor oasis with a 9-foot deep sparkling pool and large mature trees shading the beautiful green lawn.
This home has been partially remodeled and will need renovations. Imagine how you would continue the renovation work and make this wonderful space your own, or decide to start fresh with a completely new home design.
If you've been looking for an opportunity to own a home in a premium North Dallas neighborhood, this is a chance to customize your dream home in this location with an absolutely sensational view. Thank you for previewing this beautiful home with us today. If you'd like more information about it, feel free to give either one of us a call or go to janritchie.com. I'm Jan Ritchie.
And I'm Donna Agan, and we look forward to seeing you at our next home tour.